guys, Dolly, Momoiro here. I'm trying to figure out where to look. Today, well, I got a package from ACDC RAG and I want to open it on camera. I've been buying a lot from ACDC RAG lately. Came in this packaging and I just like opened it, and they actually gave like a cute little face mask. And I got this little card as well, you know. It says like international online shop open, so that's good to know. I actually bought this on Rakuten. They're no longer shipping internationally. I don't know what's going on with the website, but I did initially buy this because I saw that they're gonna like discontinue like the shipping service that they have overseas. I gotta look into it to see what's going on. But I mean, ACDC RAG has their own, they have their own website, international website to like buy their clothing and stuff. So I'm probably gonna check that out. But yeah, I don't really have that big of a collection of ACDC RAG, but I have a decent amount of stuff. I have it all here. So I got like a jacket and two shorts and the kimono. And now to add to my ACDC RAG collection, a shirt and tights. Hopefully it fits because I got a little bit chunky during quarantine.
Damn, boy, he thick!
Let's start with the new stuff. Oh, this looks so nice. Oh, this is gonna be huge on me, but that's how I love it. Wow, this is like really big. I'm gonna put it on real quick and then come back. Alright, so I just quickly slipped it on. And oh my gosh, look at it. It's like a dress. Can you guys see? I want to get the full effect. Definitely something that I would wear on a chill day. The material is stretchy, and I feel like, I don't know what kind of, is it spandex? What kind of material is this? But I feel like if you put it in the dryer, it'll be okay. Well, I mean, color-wise, I don't think it'll fade. Shrink? Maybe it might shrink a little bit, just because I feel like it's so stretchy. Here are the tights. I'm really hoping that these will fit. And, ooh. Oh, you know what? I think these will fit. I don't know what size I actually got, because I feel like on the website it was like a one size kind of deal. But yeah, let me just slip these on real quick. Oh, yo, I don't think it can fit. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I still have shorts on. Whatever. It's fine. These look bizarre because of my shorts. But hold on, I'm gonna try it again, but without the shorts. I'll try it without the socks. I'll try it without the socks. Okay. Alright, I think it's a little bit better now. They're supposed to be black. It looks gray. Ugh, what's stabbing my ass? Oh, the tag. I mean, I think it's still doable. It's just, I'm not really too fond of the material. I wish it was like actually showing up as black, but it just looks gray. So, I have all this. You know what look real nice with this eyeball shirt and these eyeball tights? Oh snap, this'll look. I love eyeball prints. Oh my gosh, so funny right now. There's like a, I have a cup by my windowsill, and it's kind of similar to the eyeballs on here. Let me grab it. There's some big girls in here. What is that? Ew. Well, here's the cup, but your girl's nasty. She's on that quarantine. There's some liquid in here that I've. Boy, it's Dolly from 2 days later. I stopped recording after seeing that disgusting whatever it was in the cup because I got a migraine. So I had to stop recording and prepare myself for the worst because I have chronic migraines. But I'm better now. And I actually realized that I forgot to include this. I wonder what else is in my closet that I forgot to include. This is also ACDC RAG, but I didn't add it to the pile, so I think I have a total of 6 items, 7 items. So yeah, I'll add this to the pile and carry on with the video. Where were we? We're gonna try all of these on and I guess try to put little cute outfits together. This is the part of the video where things get weird.
In the highway 確実上げる売り上げパンツの中はパンパンのパケ薬お酒にお金ウィンウィン鳴りやまない電話弾き叩き出してんた漁港でパチパチしたんがん準備はできた遊びは終わり売り上げは上がってよ地元のやつらは分かってよ言いたいことも勝ってよ汚いパンツの中からパンパンのパケウィンウィン鳴りやまない電話弾き叩き出してんた引っ張ったき出す汚いケツはてめえの顔面向けたシャッターほんまにどうでもいいお前のこととかどうでもいいお前がどうとかどうでもいいお前の友達どうでもいいお前のケツ持ちどうでもいい俺ら全然関係ない今さら無駄だ反省会この歌お前には関係ないビッチ売り上げは上がってある地元のやつら分かってる言いたいことは分かってるわけま欲しいなら俺の音源さばけ俺は分かってるポッケにパンパンのパッケボロボロになったあの日から俺のストーリーは始まってる縁で笑って縁でないなんか変でもこれがなんか縁暴力ビッチでサグみたいって春季の頃の猿みたい傷がなければ気づけない大事なもんだけそう見つめない嘘をついたら何にも気づけない俺は学んだいろんな意味でな
Hey y'all, hopefully you enjoyed that video. As you can see, I have a lot of cleaning up to do after filming that. Be sure to check out my website. I wrote an article on alternative and kawaii music entertainers of color, so if you'd like to check that out, you might find something new. I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!